Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane with the classic Redmi Note 5 Pro, but this isn't your grandma's Note 5 Pro. We've breathed new life into this old warrior with the Droid X UI custom ROM based on Android 14. Let's dive in and see if this ROM can turn back the clock on performance and features. The Droid X UI boasts a feature called DX UI Lab. Now, it's not the most extensive customization suite you'll find, but it offers a few ways to personalize your experience. You can tweak things like themes and accents, giving your phone a unique look. While it might not be a full-blown customization playground, it's a nice touch for those who want a little control over the aesthetics. One of the biggest concerns with older phones is battery life. Thankfully, the Droid X UI seems to be optimized well in this department. During my usage, I easily achieved 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. That's pretty impressive for a phone from 2017. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or staying social, the Droid X UI should keep you powered up throughout the day. To gauge the performance of this ROM, I ran the Geekbench benchmark test. The results were decent, with the phone scoring 321 on single-core and 1163 on multi-core. While it won't blow away the flagships, these scores suggest the phone can handle everyday tasks and lighter gaming without breaking a sweat.
One of the biggest hurdles with custom ROMs is compatibility with Google services. Thankfully, the Droid X UI passes safety net with flying colors, both rooted and unrooted. This means you'll have full access to the Google Play Store and all your favorite apps. So, is the Droid X UI with Android 14 worth installing on your Redmi Note 5 Pro? If you're looking to squeeze some extra life out of your phone, then absolutely.
The Droid X UI is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're rocking a Redmi Note 5 Pro and are looking for a way to keep it relevant, be sure to leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts on the Droid X UI, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures.